Hey, I came back after sick leave. I've noticed something. Whenever people think about English learning, the first thing that comes in their mind is books, grammar rules, vocabulary list. And all of that feels heavy, like a school subject. And honestly, that's why so many people give up halfway. Because it feels like a punishment, not like something you'd actually enjoy. But here's what I have realized: English can actually be amazing. Not in some motivational poster, but in real life. The problem is we have been taught to look at it the wrong way. And think about this: English is not just a language you study, it's a language you live. It's not a chapter in your textbook, it's in your music, it's in your conversation, it's in your movies, and it's literally everywhere. Then why we try to find it only in books? And the moment you stop treating it like homework and start treating it like a friend, the whole experience changes. So if you only connect English with studies, like notes, grammar, exams, then it will feel so boring, like dragging yourself into something that you don't want to do. But then one day you thought, okay, why don't I just try mixing it with the thing I actually enjoy? And that moment you will find it easier than you think. So when I first started my English learning journey, I started watching things that I already liked but in English. Funny shows, cartoons, even random YouTube videos. And suddenly English didn't feel like a subject anymore. It felt like fun. And that's the point. English becomes amazing when you connect it to things you love. Like if you're into cricket, follow cricket news in English. And if you love music, try singing along to English songs. And if you like social media, write your caption in English. Because the moment English enters your hobbies, you stop forcing yourself to learn. You just enjoy it, and learning happens naturally. And now, another thing I have learned: you don't have to be perfect. Actually, the most people thinks I'll start speaking once my English get better. But honestly, it doesn't work like that. Waiting for perfection only keeps you stuck. And English learning becomes only amazing when you stop worrying about mistakes and just start expressing yourself. Because broken English is better than silent English. And at least you are trying, at least you are building your fluency. And let me tell you something: the most beautiful part is when you start noticing your own progress. Like the first time you understand a line from a movie without subtitle, or when you write something in English and someone replied back. And those tiny moments feel so good. They remind you that you are growing step by step. So, really, the way to make English learning amazing is simple. Stop treating it like homework. Bring it into the thing you already love and allow yourself to make mistakes and notice your small victories. Because the truth is, English is not boring. It feels boring when you make it boring. So, if you let it be part of your life, you will see actually one of the most amazing skill you can ever learn. And that's it. It's too simple, not that complicated as you think. So, when it's about language learning or English learning, you have to just be relaxed. Don't need to be that serious that I'm learning something. Just be chill and enjoy it. Enjoy the process. Enjoy every mistakes. Enjoy every tiny progress. And that's how language learning works. So that's the secret to make English learning amazing. I know my voice is a little awful because I have a sore throat, so I'm sorry if I don't sound good. Actually, no, I don't sound good, so I'll come back. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.